Today I'm going to show you how you can change the animation of your loader. For this we only need a button to do the demonstration. We are going to add in the event on press, the toggle page loading function. In this you are going to activate it, or depending on the action you want to perform, but specifically to select or give it a different animation. You must click on Select Lottie. This will open this screen where in the Lotties tab you will be able to see all the Lotties you have loaded. In case you want to upload one, simply drag and drop your Lottie in JSON format, or you can select it from your File Explorer. Once you have selected your Lottie, simply click on Select and that's it. Now let's look at the example. Now we simply press our loader button, and it will show our Lottie that we have added as animation for our loader. I hope it has served you and you can implement it in your applications. See you soon.